We took 2 whole sweet potatoes.
2 big old sweet potatoes.
And we grated them.
The most nutrient-dense item you can buy in the produce department, by the way.
Because I am all about nutrients. That's a lie, a full lie. So
you squeezed out the excess liquid.
Yeah, we squeezed out the excess liquid. And then I'm gonna add, we have 2 scallions here.
Yep.
Those go in. You saw me chop up that little bit of dill.
Love
I'm gonna
dill.
put some, and then the feta, which gives it the saltiness. And then the whole egg, and I'm just gonna keep building. Salt, because you need even a little bit more salt even with the feta. Cracked black pepper. And then flour. So this
Just a little to keep it stuck together.
Yeah, you're just gonna keep it bound. I just take an ice cream scoop.
Right, so you can portion it out, just so
they'll
they're all
be the
kind
same
of
size.
equal. Right.
And you pack it, and then you just press it down a little bit into your fritter, like so, like a little potato pancake.
It's like a latke.
Yeah. I have the oil here at about 350 degrees.
Yeah.
And you know,
And
you
it's
could
just
obviously do that with a
cast
thermometer.
iron skillet there with a
Yep.
little bit of, innocuous oil. Any oil you can see through, right?
There's just a sweet potato
Wanna take a
fritters.
fritter
If
break?
you guys want some, you
Okay,
look
we're
hungry.
gonna take a fritter break.